people of South Sudan, as your leader and the patron of national dialogue, I am obliged to release this public statement to inform all our citizens and friends about the planned National Day of Prayers that is going to be held on March the 10th, 2017. Our time as people who aspire for the common destiny is now ripe to turn to God and ask Him for forgiveness and blessings. We have not been that perfect, and we need to submit ourselves to the Almighty through prayers. In this regard, I am appealing to all our citizens and friends to observe the following on that day. 1, we need to turn out in big numbers on that day to pray, repent, and forgive each other for the problems that we might have committed against one another for the last 4 years. It should be the day we all pray to God and ask Him for forgiveness so that we start a new chapter in our relations as citizens of this nation. 2, I am also asking all the state governors to observe this day, the National Prayers Day, in their respective state capitals. We have been going through untold suffering, and it is time we should open up all our avenues for our citizens to dialogue and pray together. 3, in the same spirit, we would wish to ask our diaspora community to pray with us on this day so that we turn over our plight to Almighty God for the better year 2017. Thank you.
And everything we start in this world, in our life, we should start with a prayer. Actually, I was with the President yesterday and congratulated him for this initiative on National Day of Prayer and National Dialogue, which is an initiative, I told to him, maybe an inspiration from God. And I asked him, may this be really true and sincere and inclusive, so that we bring a lasting peace to our people in South Sudan. And of course in Sudan, because our people have suffered enough. And actually I told him from last year, November, I have retired in Quran praying. I joined international community of prayer houses in Europe and in Africa, in America, to pray day and night, even if possible, for peace in our country. Because prayer is more powerful than anything, more powerful than gun, than powerful than anything. So prayer will bring the suffering of our people. أنا مبسوط عشان يوم بتاع الصلوات حاجة مهم هو أحسن من كل حاجة. أنا من سنة 2011 أنا شلت يوم برا عشان يصلي في قرآن في بعان بتاع السلام في بيت بتاع السلام في ليل والنهار. وأنا سألت الناس كله في الدنيا، في أمريكا، في أفريقيا، في أوروبا، عشان بيصلي، عشان بيجيبوا تعب بتاع الناس بتاعنا، عشان في الآخر الناس بتاعنا تعبانين. والصلوات هو قوة الشديد فتو أصلا فتو كلمة. وأنا نادم مبسوط عشان كلام ده بالتالي أصلا يوم بتاع ناشونال دايلوج ده نحن بنبتدي بالصلوات عشان دي أولا يسوع يقول نحن بنجح في حياة بتاعنا عشان بالصلوات وأنا مبسوط في أيام ده.